Good evening, everybody. Thursday, July 11th, 7:25 p.m. Eastern. And let me show you quickly how to update your files to the latest ATM. This is for those that have already applied for the ATM. They have done the disclaimer form. And they have done the KYC and as well as filled out with the new product ID. The form, and now as of July 11th we have released another file that will make your charts load faster, and the auto trail option works better, and it is much smoother. So as we update a newer version, these are the steps you have to follow. So because right now the queue is backed up on the support at superareas.com right here. If you want to talk to somebody, and if you're able to do it yourself, it's much easier. That I recommend that you do it yourself. So you log into your superareas.com, and of course you need a valid account. In this case, I'll use my personal account to be. Let me show you, if you have not done the ATM files and you're interested, how you can apply. So I can do 2-in-1 Super Areas. On this profile, I don't have it done. It says you are qualified to get the 7 days ATM trial. So if you click on that, and these are approximately 10-12 steps you have to do in order to get this going. So if you're able to, the files and everything are here. You have to uninstall NinjaTrader and do everything from scratch. If you're not able to do that, you can speak to chat here, and they should be able to set up your ATM files and everything. But if you have already done it, you will see something like this. So let's log into my own profile. So right here it says download latest package July 11th and 2024, and you of course require a Super Areas login and password to download the files. This is the zip folder and the Ninja installer. You don't need to reinstall Ninja in this particular case, but we have a link for you right here as well. So instructions on how to do this. Instructions are very easy. It says close your NinjaTrader program, and if you see my windows, I don't have NinjaTrader open and running. Download these files and then right click and extract the package. So here I'm going to download this particular package. It may give you this alert that this file is blocked. Don't worry about it. Just click download this file. And right here you will have the package. So go to the place that you have downloaded. So in this case, it is downloaded in my downloads folder. What I have to do is right click and extract this. So inside this, now it creates a folder for you right here. So I will go inside this folder, and now I have my studies that are available on the PDFs. Of course, you have the MD package installer. You don't need this. All you have to do is just we're just updating the templates. So right click on this folder which says this file, zip file, new work and TEMP 2028, and we will extract this. So now it has extracted. It has created this folder called new work and TEMP 2028. So it says extract the files and then copy workspaces and templates into my documents and overwrite the files. Approximately 300 plus files are being updated, and you have to repeat this step twice. So what does that mean? So I'm inside this folder, and I will select both of them, and I will right click, or you can do so I will copy, Control C, right click, copy, and I will navigate to my documents, and right here it says NinjaTrader 8, and any of this white space area, not in this, and not around at the bottom white space area, right click and paste, and it will say the destination has with the same names. You will say replace the files, and I will do this twice, so I'll paste it one more time. Right click again, paste, and of course as long as it says 318 files, you're good. And that's it. That is all you have to do, and you're done. So this takes care of super areas updating to latest software, which is as of July 11, 2024. For those that are just updating it, you don't need to worry about MD installer. You don't need to worry about studies, anything like that. The only thing is you're just copying the new work spaces and templates into your existing, just to make sure your Ninja is closed, and that's it. Now I will log into my Ninja right here, of course, and then I will just I will take care of, I have my username password from Apex here, with that I can log in. And of course your templates and workspaces are reset in this when you're doing an upgrade. So you have to reset up however you would like to see the charts and the duplication of the charts if you like. But now this update is much faster, as well as the ATM should work with auto trail much faster in Nasdaq. So the refresh rate, we have improved on that, and the black candle actual reloading and the historical data is much faster. So right here I would go, and here is my templates and workspaces, and of course I can set it up the way I would like. I go to Control Center, and I have my position, nothing is open. I can go down here and I can set up however I like it. So in this case, just set up your organization however you feel like doing it. Sometime I like to see the price here, so I would go order ticket to see how is Nasdaq doing in this particular case. If I have a copier, for example Flowbot or things like that, or I can set it up. So in this case, this is, and if you want to save this workspace, you just go right here under Control Center and save. So there you go, that's it. And now your places are updated. Pick up an account, and that's it. Go from there. Thank you very much, guys, and this is how you update your particular workspaces and thing. We as we update more better templates and better workspaces, maybe to make this a little bit bolder, make this a little easier to read. We'll keep posting the new workspaces right here, so if you're interested, you can keep downloading the new version right here. So for example, the thickness of these fonts and everything, and we'll save it. Let me check if this general trading, yeah, everything is good. And if you want to load the BBs, Bollinger Bands on the 30-20 chart, or this is 15-10, this is 30-20, because by default we don't have Bollinger Bands loaded on 30-20. So all you do is to load the Bollinger Bands. All you do is right click here, and you go in particular it says templates, load, and pick it's called 30-20 BB. So just load that, and your Bollinger Bands will get loaded in this template. Now you have the Bollinger Bands right here at the bottom, and relative strength index is right here. Bollingers with MACDs is right here. So, and then to save this, of course, is right here, save. So next time when you open it up, it will open up exactly like this. So close this. I don't have any orders, I have nothing. I will hit no, and next time when I have if I open up Ninja and log in, you will see that the way I've set up my environment. And if you ever mess up any charts or anything like that, that you accidentally close a chart, or you're not sure if you've closed the DOM, or you can always go back to the reset process of just closing Ninja and go to your downloads and copy over these two folders, and it will reset it back to as of the date today. So you don't have to worry about if you mess up anything. Those workspaces and templates are there for you to kind of see. So when it opens up, it will open up 100% the way we have configured, and now your settings will come back. So now you will see that my BBs are loaded already. So this is the latest Ninja 8.1.3 with BBs are there, my accounts are there, and however I like, I have everything set up right there. And that's about it, guys. And if you have, of course, any questions, you can always send us a message. And Super Areas makes great software that helps you analyze the market. And you can watch our previous videos. You can subscribe to our. I'll upload this on YouTube right here, and you're able to, of course, watch all the videos, all the live broadcasting, and especially last few days, I've created some good videos: how to use ATM, how to sign up for a 14-day trial, full explanation, almost 2.5 hours, how Apex works. Then I made 2 days ago, a video that once I've passed that 25,000 account, what to do, and get your payout, how to work with the payout. So quite a few things are there for you to kind of see. But and that's it. And I think that concludes this particular video on how to update the workplaces. And so make sure Ninja is closed, guys, before you do that. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.